Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. Hey, we're going to take you really quickly through a guy that's roughly my age who wears a short haircut, about like what I wear, maybe
a little bit
touch,
shorter.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
close enough for government work. And kind of how he did this and returned to his executive style job after 7 days. And so here the fellow is beforehand, and he has a short haircut in the front and a short haircut in the back, and not much hair in the recipient frontal third. And that middle third is going. Somewhere around 7 months, he came in and said that he was worried about shock loss in his crown. I had to break it to him that he was going bald in his crown. But so here he is at the end of the case. We packed him full of hair, and then he did really good cleaning. Here he's at a week, and then at a month with that short haircut in the front, most of it's extruded, or most of it has shed. And then you turn him around and he's got that short haircut, and here's this scar with my finger right beside.
That's a really good scar.
And that's pretty typical on a 50-ish-year-old white guy with light skin. I mean, that's what you get if you sew it up correctly. And so he's got...
Yeah, he wears his hair short.
Real
so
short.
Yeah.
And then saw him at 8 months, and then we saw him around a year out. And again, he's got short hair like me. And we were just talking about whether this is going to fill in much more, and the answer is probably not going to fill in much more, because even I'd say almost all the grass we put in grew, but when you have short hair,
when you
can
cut it
see
short,
scalp.
you can see space.
Yeah.
Yes. When you cut it short.
And I'm not suggesting people do comb overs, but were he to go from 1.2 centimeter hair to 2 centimeter hair, just that extra combing across makes it
layers
look like,
it, and it covers more scalp. Yeah.
He likes a short haircut, and then I say turn around, fella, and you can see he's got that short haircut in the back, and then here's a close up of his Lindsey scar, and that looks good. That's I'd say that's an average 50-ish-year-old scar done at our office. We don't get them all like that. We get some of them 80 years or so that are significantly better than that, and 4 year that are significantly worse than that. And we get about 125 of those. So I think the only thing that's going to go on with him is he's starting to lose a little bit of hair behind it, and I think at some point we'll see him down the road.
Yeah.
All right, if we can help you, please give us a call.